This is the summary created from the video. Lecture 16, Building Relationships. Building relationships is a skill that requires effort and strategy, involving effective communication, mutual understanding, trust, and shared values. Developing strong relationships takes time and a deliberate approach, as nurturing them is crucial for personal and professional growth. Relationships play a vital role in our lives, impacting both the enjoyment and challenges we face. Even in close bonds, issues and conflicts can arise, making it crucial to maintain relationships through communication, interaction, and gestures. A few words can make or break relationships swiftly, as communication behavior is so impactful. Ultimately, relationships are essential for fulfilling our needs for survival, safety, security, and human connection. Our surroundings, including our friendships, shape who become, influencing our character, behavior, communication style, and interpersonal dynamics. The environment and social circle have a molding effect on one's personality and interactions. Relationships go through stages, evolving from passing acquaintances to casual, moderate, and deeply intimate bonds. Passing relationships can develop into deeper connections over time through repeated interactions, while deep relationships can deteriorate into casual ones due to conflicts and lack of effort. Maintaining and renewing relationships requires conscious effort through communication, which plays a vital role in activating and sustaining meaningful connections. There are several key stages to building a relationship: awareness, acquaintance, groundbreaking, rapport building, exploring issues, negotiating, and self-disclosure. Self-disclosure involves reciprocally sharing personal information with the expectation that the other party will do the same, building trust and mutual understanding. However, one must be cautious with self-disclosure and not rush into it prematurely, as it can lead to potential misuse of personal information. Mutual needs and interests must be met at each stage for the relationship to progress successfully. The following stages are crucial in building relationships: awareness, acquaintance, rapport, exploration, and negotiation. Self-disclosure leads to bond formation and reduces the need for testing due to reciprocal sharing. Identifying and fulfilling each partner's needs is vital for the relationship to advance. If mutual needs are unmet, the relationship is likely to deteriorate or terminate. Throughout all stages, communication plays an essential role in building and sustaining connections. Communication is crucial for developing relationships from the very beginning. Expressing oneself is necessary, as relationships won't develop automatically. Many people miss opportunities due to overthinking or shyness when communication is needed. There should be a willingness to communicate problems, views, and opinions, and to seize the right time and situation to express yourself, or opportunities may be lost. We seek relationships with those who share similar traits, behaviors, and interests. In difficult times, we rely on friends who can provide guidance, support, and solutions. Having someone offer consolation and reassurance in problematic situations brings relief. We value dynamic individuals who understand our issues and can help accordingly. Sociable people who comprehend others' behaviors and needs make desirable connections. Relationships are crucial in various aspects of life, including conflicts and personal or family matters. Developing and maintaining relationships is extremely important for overall well-being. Our communication behavior must be approached cautiously and with alertness, as effective communication can make our lives easier, more comfortable, and bring happiness to ourselves and others. Truly, communication and speaking abilities are a divine blessing that should be valued. In summary, building relationships requires strategy and effective communication. Communication behavior can make or break relationships quickly. Relationships go through stages, and conscious effort is needed to maintain them. Self-disclosure builds trust, but must be done cautiously and reciprocally. Identifying and fulfilling mutual needs is crucial for relationship progression. Most importantly, communication is vital throughout all stages of building and sustaining relationships. Please stay tuned for more summary videos.